So I'm on Twitter the other day, just kind of, lounging around, scrolling on my phone, unbeknownst to the world, and I came across a post, and that post basically said that this is a giveaway. It was a giveaway post, and it was one of those kind of like, retweet, and make sure you're following to win these products kind of thing. It was one of those posts that you kind of see, do, and then just kind of scroll around thinking that you're never going to win that. So I did it. I was just like, what's worth a shot? I'm following them anyway. I'll just give it a like. That's it. Entered into the giveaway. Fast forward 2 weeks, and I get a message. I get a DM from said company, and the DM says, "Congratulations, you've been selected as the winner for our giveaway." And I'm just like, excuse me? Are you joking with me right now? Is this some sort of a practical joke? Who are my friends in on this? You guys in on this? Like, what is happening right now? Because, and you'll understand why I was so surprised and taken aback, because the company in question was Elgato. And the products for their giveaway were Elgato's two of Elgato's brand new Key Light Minis. And I was just like, huh? This absolutely cannot be real. So I messaged them back and I was like, thank you so much. Checked their Twitter, make sure it was legit, and I was like, oh, I've just won a giveaway from Elgato. And not only that, I've won 2 products that I've really, really been wanting. I mean, I was going to go and get these myself, but hey, if Elgato's going to give them to me for free in a giveaway as a winner, then hell yeah. So yeah, this is the story. Well, Elgato sent me 2 of their Key Light Minis. What's up guys, Kai24 back at your screens, and yes, I am the giveaway winner for Elgato's most recent giveaway, where they were giving away 2 brand new Key Light Minis, and this is the newest addition to their streaming creator peripherals. I'm gonna say creator peripherals, and I already own, as you can see behind me, I already own a Key Light Air and a Key Light. I own several other Elgato products, all bought, of course, with my own hard-earned money. But this time around, I was very lucky, super lucky enough. Thank you, Elgato, for choosing me as the winner for your Twitter giveaway to win 2 of these bad boys. So I'm just gonna put one aside and open these up. And the reason I'm excited is because as a content creator who also does, my grammar is pathetic right now, who also does quite a decent amount of professional work, paid professional work, I'm always on the lookout for kind of small lights that I can take around with me, maybe fit onto the side of a gimbal, maybe fit onto the top of the camera whilst I'm doing my work, so that I can get a little bit more exposure in my shots, especially when I'm doing video work, which is something that I do quite often. If you're in a dark venue room doing a wedding or a party, or if you're doing filming out in the dark for whatever reason, and you don't have decent lighting, your footage can look quite bad. No matter how good your camera is, you're not going to get amazing footage. So having something like the Elgato Key Light Mini, which is tiny, and I'll show you how small it is an absolute game changer, because I can predict and I can presume that using one of these is going to be so handy when it comes to those. I almost chopped my finger off. It's going to be so handy when it comes to getting better exposed shots in low light situations. Not only that, it's also handy for kind of various different things in terms of content creation. If I want additional lights in different parts of my room whilst I'm streaming, or even whilst I'm creating my videos, just some kind of additional shade lights. Shade lights? That doesn't make sense. It's contradictory, isn't it? Just some additional lights. If I want more lights is always good. Then these are small and compact enough that I can kind of fit them anywhere, and they're also magnetic actually, which means that they can kind of fit onto metallic surfaces and stuff like that wherever I'm filming, just kind of off to the side somewhere, and they will help me to up my level of content creation. Now, I do want to say that this video isn't sponsored by Elgato per se. They did send me these, I was the winner of a giveaway, and they sent me this as part of the giveaway, but they're not sponsoring. With that out of the way, here we go. I mean, look at this. It's tiny. It's actually quite a very nice, compact, small size. I like the packaging. I'm gonna put this aside. Let's see what else it comes with first. So, pop that out, and here you have a very funky U-shaped. That's I don't know if you guys want to have a look at that. That's a good U-shaped. It's almost, yeah, it's very weird. USB-C charging cable. I don't think it comes with anything else. There are other accessories you can buy with it, and you've got your instructions booklet. Pop all of that back in the box. Open that up, pull that out. It's actually heavier than I had imagined it to be. It's not cheap feeling. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel light. It's quite nice and heavy. It's got a good thick build. The back plate is metallic. You can see here we've got the kind of power indicator. There you've got the Wi-Fi button, or the Wi-Fi indicator to say that it's connected, because this will connect to your control center app. They've got a control center app, and I presume you can also control this with the Stream Deck. So you've got your dials on the right hand side here, so up and down to, I presume, make the intensity, the power of the light, the strength, that's the word, the strength of the light go up and down, and you've got your power button, and then you've got your USB-C charging cable, which you can hook, you can hook any old USB-C cable onto there, but you can also charge that one on, which kind of keeps it. So if you're going to be setting it out on the side somewhere whilst it's charging, you can kind of string the cable along behind it and down, rather than it sticking out to the side awkwardly and you not being able to fit it onto the side. So that's actually quite a nice thing. And this is my first time holding one of these, and I was planning to get myself one or two, and now I have two, so that's really handy. You have your usual 1/4 inch screw at the bottom that you can kind of fit your other kind of peripherals onto, accessories onto it. So let's try and turn this on. Does this have any charge whatsoever? Oh, yep, there you go. There you go. It's quite bright. I mean, if I hold it out in front of me, that is quite bright. So I'm gonna put the brightness down. So that's, oh, bright. Lowest brightness. And then put it up again. Oh, wow, there you go, that's the brightness. That's very bright. I mean, I don't know if you guys can look at that. That looks like flipping sun in the air. I think if you press it, let me read. Do you know what? Let me read the manual. Give me 1 second.
1 hour later.
All right, so I turn this on back on again. So if it flashes, I can do multiple things. So if I press this and it flashes twice, it's on color temperature mode. So if I reduce the color temperature, actually, hang on. Let's reduce the intensity, because this is really bright. Okay, there we go. So that's reduced the temperature. Yes, that's reduced the brightness, the strength. If I press it one more time, now I can toggle the temperature. So if I toggle it all the way down, it's going to be on the lowest temperature. If I toggle it up, it gets more and more kind of yellow. How to say? If I toggle it all the way down, then it gets whiter and whiter, and there you guys can kind of probably see the slight temperature change in the video. So press that again. Wow. So now that's intense. So if I put that kind of, this is how it looks without. If I put that in front of me, you guys can see it does add a decent amount of light onto that shaded area there. So I mean, a bit more maybe. It's on a decent intensity. It doesn't have much battery charge left, but yeah, I mean, looking at, I don't know if the video does justice. If the video does justice, but it is quite bright, so that's still on, and you can see it's kind of pretty decent bright, like barely at 20%, 30% maybe. I don't know. I'll hook it up to the Control Center app, and I'll see how that is. So that's the story. Like, thank you Elgato for sending me this, and that was just a very short unboxing, and I'm gonna make an entire video on this, just kind of reviewing it for multiple purposes, because one of the big things that you can use this for is your streaming setup. If you don't want to pay the premium prices of getting things, or if you don't have the space to get things such as the Key Light, or the Key Light, even the Key Light Air, which is admittedly quite small in its own. But if you don't have the space for those, and you just want something that kind of fits onto the corners of your monitor quite easily, then this is a really good grab. This does have the same brightness and strength as the Key Light Air. The Key Light has it's a bit more strong, it's twice as strong, but I don't think it makes a huge amount of difference in the grand scheme of things when you're going to be using it for streaming. So if you're in a dark room, you're going to need that light on you so your camera quality and exposure comes out good. You need those streaming lights, then these are an absolutely great choice. And £90 a pop, I think about between £80 to £90 a pop. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to post the Amazon link for this in my description box below. I do get a little bit of commission from Amazon through Amazon Associates, so if you do use that link to purchase the Elgato Key Light Mini, then I'll get a little bit of commission from them. Otherwise, once again, thank you Elgato for choosing me as the winner for your giveaway. I will absolutely love this. I already do. I mean, it's so nice and small. I absolutely love this. I'm absolutely going to make a full review video of this, what I think of it in terms of content creation, in terms of using it as streaming lights, compared to the other Elgato lights. How does this kind of stand against them? Is it good enough to replace my Key Light Air and my Key Light, and other things like using it in low light situations outside whilst filming videos? So I am going to try and do a comprehensive review of it. Until then guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy it, and if you enjoy my content in general, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see when my next video comes out, then make sure you hit that notification bell. Until next time guys, this is Kai24 signing out.